Today I'll show you how to find your downloads on Android. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open the Files app or My Files or Files Manager, depending on your device. Look for a section called Downloads. This is where most files go when you download something. If you don't see it, check under Internal Storage. Some devices have it inside Documents or Storage. For Google Chrome downloads, open Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right, and go to Downloads. You'll see all files downloaded through the browser. If you're looking for an app download, check the Play Store. Tap your profile icon, then Manage Apps and Device, then Installed. You can also check third-party stores like APK Mirror or Amazon App Store if you used them. For media files like images or videos, open Google Photos or Gallery. They may be saved there instead. If you still can't find your file, use the search bar in the Files app. Just type the file name or extension like .pdf or .mp4. That's it. Now you know how to locate any downloaded file on Android.